Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadijah. Welcome to my channel. So today we are back with another hair tutorial, and today we are working with Beauty Forever Hair. This is their packaging. So I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package today. I received a goodie bag. And this is a wig for today. This is their 13x4 kinky curly wig. The unit comes pre-plucked with the strap on already, ready to be installed. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Beauty Forever Hair, their website is in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the install. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig grip strap on. I'm just going to go ahead and put some foundation on my lace. This is what our lace is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace, and then we put our wig on. All right guys, so this is what our wig is looking like with the foundation on. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Today I'll be using my Ebin Wonder Lace Bond glue to install my unit. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So this is what our wig is looking like now that we put it on. Again, the unit comes pre-plucked already. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and install my unit. Alright guys, so I just finished gluing my wig. This is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, let it dry for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll finish it up. But this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish up our wig. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off, but this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. I definitely love this serum so much. It levels up my shine and silky game. Yes, I love it. It is super thick, but it's so lightweight on the hair, and I just love it. I would definitely recommend this if you guys are getting or trying to get serums that works for your wigs. I love this. So a little bit is good. All right guys, so this is what it's looking like after I comb it out. Listen, this unit is full. Like, the volume on this unit is just amazing. Look how fluffy this is. Honestly, it is super fluffy. This is it, and I love it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and make my curl. I will be using my Latte Body Mousse to get my curls going, but this is what the unit is looking like. It is so fluffy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I love how this turned out. The curls are happening, and I love that I kept it super natural. Honestly, this lace was so easy to melt, and it just melts so good with my skin. I just love it. This is the finished look. This is it. Super silky, giving those nice kinky curls, and I love it. Honestly, this was super easy to install, super easy to style. The lace melts so good, and the curls are just so pretty. Again, this unit is from Beauty Forever here, and honestly, I love everything about this unit. It melts so good, it lays so good. I can't even stop stressing that. The curls are just perfect. Everything about this unit is just perfect, and I love this unit. If you want to get this unit, the link is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Beauty Forever here, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. this is it. The unit is so full. I just love everything about this unit. Honestly, this is it. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you guys in another video.